For true two-stroke enthusiasts, the Honda CR500 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a legend. Famous for its raw power, distinctive sound, and unmatched riding experience, the CR500 became an unforgettable icon. However, as time passed, it grew increasingly rare, becoming just a memory for many of its fans. Now, Tomasin Racing is bringing that dream back to life with a revolutionary upgrade, the 2025 Honda CRF 450 equipped with the T500 Engine Kit. This isn't just a tribute, it's a true evolution. The T500 transforms the CRF 450R by swapping its 450 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine for a fierce 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke powerhouse. Beyond just displacement, the T500 introduces cutting-edge features rarely seen in two-stroke machines, including an electric starter and a fuel injection system. The iconic twin-spar aluminum frame remains, ensuring precise handling and legendary durability, while a series of upgrades make the T500 even more special. These include custom engine mounts for optimal installation, a 14-tooth sprocket for maximum torque, Tomasin Racing's signature red cylinder head, an electric water pump, a high-performance cooling system, an OXA factory exhaust for explosive power, and a 1.7-gallon titanium fuel tank, still using premix. On the tech side, the T500 is just as advanced, featuring 5 ECU modes, launch control, and traction control, all adjustable through Honda's integrated control module with dedicated quick-access buttons. Visually, the T500 stays true to Honda's racing DNA, sporting exclusive graphics in red, white, and blue, accented by a subtle Italian flag detail. Plus, all bodywork is fully compatible with 2025 CRF models, making customization easy. With these innovations, the T500 is set to take on the track with unmatched performance at a promotional price of €16,500 plus VAT, excluding shipping. A revived legend, more powerful, more modern, and more ready to dominate.